Blitz poetry, we know the word blitz means to move as what? As fast as you possibly can, okay? So it says blitz poetry. They have these instructions here. Y'all, these instructions are kind of whack. I can explain it easier by showing you what it means, okay? So do me a favor. Look down here at the bottom. Look at the example poem. I'm going to read it, and you're going to probably figure out what the format is, but just bear with me. It says, build a boat, build a house, house for sale, house for rent, rent it own, rent it phone, phone a friend, phone home, home alone, home before bed, bed and breakfast, bed head for cover, head for the hills, hills and valleys, hills of gold, gold rush, gold for cash, cash for gold, cash that check. Check your messages, check your back in time, back against the wall, wall, noise, wall, fall down with you, down out and about, out for the count. Count your blessings, count the ways to live, ways to smile, smile laugh, smile like you mean it. It ain't nothing, it is what it is it not? Is this poetry? Poetry is music, poetry is love. Love your poetry, love the rain, rain falls down, rain makes puddles, puddles are wet, puddles of love, love puddles, okay? If you notice, all they did, they wrote a line, build a boat. And then they dropped a word from the first line down to the second one. They dropped a word from the second one down to the third, and so forth. You're just writing a line, picking a word, and dropping it down. So let me show you what I'm talking about, because once I show you, you'll say, oh, we're going to write this one together. So don't start on yours yet. Okay? So check this out. JC, I'm going to pick on you first. Give me a phrase. I don't care what it is, as long as it's school appropriate. You can't say like booty hole or anything like that. Literally anything. Cowabunga. Okay. All right. That's just a word, though. I need something more than that. Carson. Look at the crabs. Okay. Well, I got to look at the crowd. So check this out. JC, pick one word in line number one and drop it down. Pick one word. Look at the crowds. Pick one word. Look. Okay. Look at JC. All right. Jonna, give me your eyeballs. Look at JC. Pick one word. No, look at JC. You only got three. Pick one. Look, okay. Look at Jonna. There we go. Danielle, pick a word. At. I'm at school. Logan, pick a word. At. Let's see here. I'm not at Walmart. There we go. Pick a word, Lauren. Walmart. I went to Walmart for ice cream. All right. Pick a word, Josh. Ice. Ice fell from the sky. Pick a word, Aubrey. Sky. The sky is blue. There we go. Pick a word, Jackson. Blue. The worst color is Carolina blue. Oh, I went there. Oh, I came out of nowhere. Captain, pick a word. Carolina. The worst basketball team is Carolina. Oh, y'all walked right into that. Walked right into it. I set the trap. Aaron, give me a word. The water is wet. Ethan, give me a word. Water. I swim in water. All right. So you notice this poem. Does it make a lot of sense, y'all? No, it sounds like somebody forgot to take their bills and started to write poetry, right? Okay, so I got look at the crowds, look at JC, look at Jonna. I'm at school, I'm not at Walmart. I went to Walmart for ice cream. Ice fell from the sky. The sky is blue. The worst color is Carolina blue. The worst basketball team is Carolina. The water is wet. I swim in the water. Okay, I'm just taking one word or phrase and dropping it down. Taking a word, dropping it down. Let me show you what I wrote during my first period, y'all. This is what I did. So Aaliyah started it. Aaliyah, her first word she gave me was Alabama. I was like, Alabama? Of all the things, Alabama? So I said, I don't live in Alabama. I live in North Carolina. I live north of Raleigh. My mom lives in Henderson. My wife is amazing. Spider-Man is amazing. Ms. Benitez is grumpy. Alexis Benitez works at Vance Charter. I go to Vance Charter. We live in Vance County. I used to live in Ohio. I live in a box. I play the Xbox. Oops. I just did something wrong. Oops. Catherine, why are you messing my stuff up? Catherine, explain yourself. Okay. I said, I live in the box. I play the Xbox. I play Fortnite. I play games. We went to basketball games. We went to Aldi. Aldi has chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets are great. Chick-fil-A is great. Potatoes are great. Comics are great. Comics are life. Life is messy. Hunters love life is messy. Hunter just broke up with Mookie. Mookie now dates Jay-Z. Jay-Z has some rhymes, yo. Yo, mama is my neighbor. My neighbor is the best. Your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Hunter is secretly Spider-Man. Hunter's going to punch me. I punch Trace. Trace cries. Trace tells on me. Trace is a snitch. Snitches get stickers. Stickers taste like glue. I glue my eyebrows to the wall. The wall has feelings. Aaliyah is feeling silly. Aaliyah is going to be rebooted. I rebooted Aaliyah. Aaliyah slapped me with the chicken nugget. I ate a chicken. Chickens are not fish. Fish are friends, not food. Food goes in my belly. My belly is full of jelly. Does not make any sense, right? Like, no sense at all. But that's what blitz poetry is. It's a quick writing. It's the closest you're ever going to get to writing rap music without writing rap music, okay? So kind of view it as that way, okay? So if I go back down, I'm not going to read the one I wrote in second grade because you'll get the point. If I keep going, I swim in the water real quick. Somebody pick a word. Water. The water is in the pool. The pool is in my backyard. My backyard has grass. My shoes have soles. My shoes are new. I like new shoes. I like dinosaur. Here we go, Lauren. Dinosaur, chicken, nuggets. High five. Here we go. I don't like you. I have the flu. I have a dog. My dog ate Logan Jones. Logan Jones. Logan Jones owes me $20. My new shirt was $20. I paid $20 to Catherine. To Catherine to do my homework. I'm literally halfway there, okay? Does my poem make a lot of sense? No. Especially, man, because Logan Jones just got eaten by my dog. I told it not to eat you, I promise. Okay? I did, okay? But all I'm doing, all blitz poetry, it just disappeared. All blitz poetry is taking a word or phrase from the top line and dropping it down. So, that's all I'm doing here. I go through line 15, that's it. Do I have to have it rhyme? No. If I want to make a rhyme, awesome. If I don't want to make a rhyme, that is completely fine too. Does that make sense? Hello, if you hear me. Hello! I'm going to do two more. I'll get to 30 and then I'm going to stop the video. I paid Catherine $20 to do my homework. Did you do it well? Catherine forgot to do my homework for me. Catherine, jeez. Aaron ate my homework. Aaron is the crazed. Aaron, you're the crazed, okay? Aaron is giving me the evil eye. Okay? Ethan is evil. Ethan is a supervillain. Carson is thebomb.com. Carson washes dogs for a living. Carson lives next to Jay-Z. Jay-Z is Captain Underpants. Tra-la-la! Jay-Z busts out rhymes like a boss. I bust my windows out with a hammer. Hammers are heavy. Thor has a hammer. Thor is a hero. Thor is my brother's best friend. I have no friends. I have a car. My car goes vroom, vroom, y'all. My car goes vroom, vroom, y'all. Y'all, here we go. Y'all gonna make me lose my mind up in here, up in here. Y'all gonna make me act out a Shakespearean play. I play with my Batman toys. Batman is Ethan Lange. Batman is Ethan Lange. Maybe you're bipolar. I don't know. Ethan is bipolar. There we go. Look at that. Boom. We'll say Ethan. Okay, we'll change. Batman is Ethan Lange's cousin. There we go. And then we'll say Ethan is a maniac with a mustache. There we go. There we go. One day. That's what it is. That's what it is. Yeah, it gotten all twisty and everything, and like if I go to school, people would just know I'm the bad guy immediately. You know, with that, and then you have to have like a Russian accent and be like, I come from Muslim squad. Okay? Alright, so well any action movie is always a Russian guy. I don't know why. Alright, anyways, so check it. Oop, mine just disappeared. Nothing complicated, nothing like difficult to do. You're just writing. It's 50 lines, which sounds like a lot. You're just writing a phrase, taking one word and dropping it, taking one word and dropping it, taking one word and dropping it. Okay. Apparently, Carson, you watch dogs for a living. But hey, if there's money there, go on with your bad self. You can go to Hollywood and just get all those like fans, like all these celebrities wash their dogs and like Carson Humphrey's dog groomer to the stars.
I replace their dogs with lookalikes and then I sell their dogs for high prices.
Oh, sweet. Okay, the video's ending, so word out. Peace. Everybody say bye.